Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family. Today I am going to tell you about your fourth unit, that is passion for sports. The 5S of sports training are stamina, speed, strength, skill and spirit. But the greatest of these is spirit, because if our spirit is strong, if our willpower is strong, then all the 5S will work strongly together. Then can we be anything we want to be? Here are a few sports persons who are famous for doing what they love. Now let's study about your chapter. The Sisterhood of Wrestlers. You must have seen the film Dangal. The film celebrates the successful entry of girls into the forbidden world of wrestling. Forbidden world means in that world wrestling is not accepted by our society. That's why it is a forbidden world. Here's an inspiring text on the emergence of women wrestlers in Haryana. And as we all belong to Haryana state, then we all know about these women wrestlers. It is 3:30 p.m. on a clear day. Balali, a village in the Bhiwani district. But now Balali village is in Dadri district, Charkhi Dadri district of Haryana, is slowly whirring to life after the siesta. Siesta here, a short sleep taken in the early afternoon, especially in hot countries. There is a whiff of mustard. Whiff here means when mustard. Here you know that a plant with oily seeds means sarson. Whiff of mustard, whiff here, act of whiffing, throw in puff in the air as the field of yellow sways. Yellow sways means yellow flowers of mustard swing there in the gentle breeze. Gentle breeze, slow wind. The serenity here, serenity, calm surrounding. However, barely seeps means affects here into a hole adjoining the field where 11-year-old Komal Sangwan is giving the mats a hurried sweep. Means in that calm surrounding environment, a hole is there. In minutes, the hall will be packed with 20 odd children. Means 20 children will come there for warming up, for their practice. Komal included first warming up and then straining their sinews. Sinews here means trying as hard as they can. Means they follow the instructions of Mahavir. Who is Mahavir here? We will also read about that. To instructions yelled out from the doorway. Yelled out means he cried for the instructions. He gives instructions there. The hard taskmaster in question is Mahavir Singh Fogart. Hard taskmaster means a person who gives other people work to do, often work that is difficult. Father and coach of the Golden Grapplers. Golden Grapplers, wrestlers who have won gold medals. Who are these Golden Grapplers? Geeta and Babita. The exploits of the father and daughters, known in sporting circles for several years, have entered the national discourse. National discourse here, even you can say that everyone in the country is talking about them because they have entered in national discourse. With the Amir Khan star at Dangal, the high notes have been years in the making. When he started training his two eldest daughters in 2000, Mahavir quickly became the black sheep of Balali. Black sheep, a person who is different from the rest of their family, because who is considered bad or embarrassing. He was not considered a good person in his village. My relatives, even my parents would ask me, he is even telling here that his relatives, his parents, even, aren't you ashamed that you are making your girl Pahalwan? Means, aren't you ashamed? When I said that my daughters would make a name for themselves and make the country proud, people used to laugh. He is saying that people used to laugh what he is doing, says Mahavir, as he sits outside the wrestling hall, Roxy, his pet pug, sleeping at his feet. They laughed them, means persons laughed at that time on him, but the laughter turned to applause as Geeta and Babita went on to win the gold and the silver medals. But the time going on, and that laugh had become a huge loud of clapping, respectively at the 2010 Commonwealth Games in Delhi. Their sisters and cousins Priyanka, Ritu, Vinesh and Sangeeta also followed them into the sport, winning medals at national and international competitions. Even after that, their cousins and sisters also followed them, along with the Fogart sisters and Sakshi Malik, the bronze medal winner at the Rio Olympics in 2016. Young girls in the state are increasingly taking to the sport as evidence proof here by the throng here. A crowd of people was there at the small wrestling center Mahavir built on his land, complete with a running track. When I started training my daughters, there were not any akhadas. He is saying here, when he started training his daughters, there were no training halls or center for wrestlings that allowed girls inside. Now there must be at least 50 akhadas that train girls, he says. In a state with the lowest sex ratio means Haryana is a state in which sex ratio is lowest, ratio of male or female individual in a population in the country, and where women have at different points been banned, means women have been banned for so many things, from using cell phones and wearing jeans. The sight of girls wrestling and excelling at the sport has started a social change. Dea Kaur, Mahavir's wife, has seen it firsthand. From the time my daughters started wrestling to the present, I can see a change. Now she is saying when her daughters started wrestling, she can see a change. But it is not the majority that has changed. Many still wish for a boy to be born and regard the birth of a girl in their family as a burden. She says that not everyone has changed. So many are there who still now want that a boy to be born. She says as she peeks into the wrestling hall. Peeks means to peep. Look, 9-year-old Neha Sangwan, the daughter of Balali Sarpanch Amit Kumar Sangwan, has been training with Mahavir for 2 years. Sangwan says the fact that young parents like him are encouraging their daughters to train with Mahavir Pahalwan is an indication of change in the village. Now, even the Sarpanch also said that it is an indication of change. It is not just wrestling, but girls in the village are getting jobs in the paramilitary forces. Paramilitary forces means organizations that help the official army of the country. In aviation means art of flying aeroplane. Girls are getting jobs. They are getting opportunities and government service. Wrestling will open up opportunities for my daughter. He says, even the Sarpanch says, wrestling will open opportunities for his daughter. About 100 students, including 30 girls, train twice a day for up to 6 hours at the center, with photos of Sakshi Malik, Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar and Yogeshwar Dutt hanging on the walls. The students are not short on inspiration, means photos are also hanging there for their inspiration. Most of the girls are aged 16 to 24 and have come from villages across the state, with their families founding their stay. Mostly girls come there in the village for their practice. They live by themselves in Rohtak in single rented rooms. Even they live there in Rohtak for their practice. A typical day starts at 5 a.m. with the morning training session spanning 6:30 a.m. to around 9 a.m. means their session starts from 6:30 and it will remain up to 9. Then it is back to the room. Then they come back to their room where they cook, clean and rest before the afternoon session, which runs from 3:30 to around 7. Sunday is their only break from the grueling schedule. Grueling schedule here, very difficult and tiring, with the luxury of few extra hours of sleep. 18-year-old Reena, who has been wrestling for 7 years, thinks that while the attitude of those around her may be changing, the society at large hasn't changed its perspective. Its perspective means their way of looking. Irina thinks that the society is going to change. When I started winning medals, the people in my village started looking at me differently. Now she said even when she started winning medals, people in her village looked at her different way. The biggest change was after Sakshi Didi's bronze medal in the Olympics. But I feel it's a superficial sport. Superficial sport that is not concerned with anything serious or important. They don't really believe in us, she says. The coach at the center, Mandeep Singh, who also trains Sakshi Malik, however, insists attitudes are changing. Just from talking to parents, we can see the change. He says as girls as young as 8 are being dropped off at the center by eager parents. Means parents who are aware, who are eager, they dropped their girls at the centers in the age of 8. If the number of girls who are starting to take up the sport is any indication, then wrestling is booming in Haryana. Booming means wrestling is growing so fastly, rapidly. Coaches and training centers are finding it difficult to accommodate the rush. Means at this time even coaches and training centers, there is no space for persons or girls there. At Rohtak's Maharishi Dayanand University, about 100 students train under former national coach Ishwar Chand Dahiya, who used to run the Chotu Ram Stadium Center till his retirement a few years ago. It was there that he encountered Sakshi Malik and he became her first coach. Encountered means met. When I started training girls in 2003, even my relatives used to say, "He has gone mad." But I did not treat girls and boys differently, says the genial coach. Genial coach, friendly and cheerful coach. Even the coach says that when he started training, even his relatives said that he has gone mad. The wrestlers were grappling with the pressure to get married, but not in the same way as their peers. Peers means girls who have not taken up wrestling. Their families insist that they focus on their sport with accolades. With accolades means with praises and prizes, and then think of settling down. Sudesh Malik, who is 22 and is from Bhaiswal Kala in Sonipat district, knows exactly how things have changed. Her parents had forced her to stop wrestling when she was younger. Only when her coach intervened did they let her continue. Means when her coach even intervened, means disturbed, satisfied their parents, her parents for coaching, then they agreed her and she started her coaching. Now they support me completely. In fact, when I meet my friends from the village, they tell me that I have the best life. Now she is saying even when she met her friends even told her that she has the best life. They all are married. They tell me not to get married too soon, she says. For Sudesh, who competes in the 74 kg weight class, the growing participation of girls has meant more competition. Earlier, there used to be only 5 to 7 girls in my weight class. Now she is saying, earlier there was not so much girls. Now at national level events, there are 25, she says. Another wrestler at the center, 23-year-old Seema, says, through wrestling has given her a new life. Though means here Yadyapi means Seema here says, 23 years old, that wrestling given her a new life. Life back in our village has not changed much. They talk about us behind our backs. They say things like, wonder what she is up to and what kind of clothes is she wearing. She says that people talk behind our backs. At 6 p.m. Sudesh asked the coach if she can leave. the second edition of the Pro Wrestling League, a bid to professionalize the game on the lines of cricket, hockey, badminton and kabaddi, is starting at 7 p.m. and she wants to catch the first match on TV. Coach Daya agrees and tells all his students to watch Kushti on TV. Kushti here, again wrestling, and he wraps up the session. The girls cycle frantically to Sudesh's room to make it in time for the opening. As Sudesh peels amlas and a beetroot to make juice, peels here means she even wrap up their peels from the amlas and beetroot, also chukandar. It's good for you after practice, she says. The program begins. As the day winds down means as the day comes to an end, Sudesh gets a call from her father. She assures him that she is taking care of herself and not exerting herself too much, means she will not get so much tired. She has not competed in a championship in about 2 years due to a knee injury. But I am getting better, getting my strength back. Now she is saying even she was getting better. She says as images from the KD Jadhav Stadium in Delhi appear in the background. Means also inspiration is also there. Whether it is in the wrestling centers or the akhadas or Delhi Stadium, the assembly line means a big number of wrestlers coming out of Haryana. A gore swell be a sign that something will be successful in the future for India's sporting ambitions, even as it creates opportunities and alters societal attitudes. Alter societal attitude means society's attitude are going to be changed. There is now a can-do spirit stemming from the successes of the Fogas sisters and Sakshi Malik. Even in faraway Balali, Neha Sangwan has set her sights on winning an Olympic medal like Sakshi Didi. She says only 2 notches higher. Notches only 2 level higher, gold. Means she is also positive about this attitude, about this game. This lesson has been taken as shortened version, a shortened translation of the article appeared in The Hindu on 7 January 2017 by Damini Nath. Dear students, watch this video carefully for making your lesson clear. Thank you and have a nice day.